my first, and Lord knows it won't be the last, AR-15. So I decided an AR-15 was the direction that I wanted to go to, and I can really say that it was truly inspired by Jerry Michalak and other competition shooters, and this is something that I kind of wanted to get into. And as you'll notice, this weapon system is by no means competition ready or competition match. But what I wanted to talk to you today about is the parts that I got, why I got them, where I got them from, and what experience I've had so far with them. The Anderson Lower Parts Kit. I decided to go with the Anderson Lower Parts Kit because it matched the lower receiver that I got. This lower parts kit was an absolutely average or mediocre parts kit. And the reason being is because everything is truly just mil-spec. And I can't complain about it being just mil-spec because that's what I paid for. But what I can complain about is the trigger. Now the trigger had upwards of a 7.5 pound trigger pull. And it was just ridiculous. As comparison to my Smith & Wesson M&P Sport 2, it was nothing that I was willing to live with, and later on was the reason that I decided to go with the Rainier Arms trigger. Here is the Anderson mil-spec, not commercial, buffer tube that I just decided to pick up from Primary Arms. I decided I wanted to see how my lower worked out, so I slapped it on my Smith & Wesson M&P Sport 2 upper. The birthday shipment. I saved up just a few dollars and decided to order everything at once from primaryarms.com. There is the Odom Works low profile gas block. Here's my Anderson charging handle, as well as my Aero Precision carbine length gas tube. There is my Fail Zero nickel boron bulk carrier group. Overall, I've been very happy with my nickel boron bulk carrier group, and as the brand says, Fail Zero, I've had none. Now, if there was any surprise in the duration of this package opening, I could say it was here when I unraveled it, and there was 2 barrels. For the barrel, I decided to go once again with Anderson Arms, just kind of keep everything similar. I decided to go with the 16-inch barrel with a carbine length gas system, and it's got a 1/8 twist. I was quite excited to find out that Primary Arms had sent me 2 barrels, till I looked over and realized that I had ordered 2 barrels. But you know, that's always good. It encourages a second build. I picked up this mat off of Primary Arms right around Christmas time, so I got a good deal on it, can't complain. And I picked up the upper, which is an Anderson as well. I had looked all over the internet for inspiration on what kind of free float handguard that I wanted and what setup that I wanted to go for. At the end of my journey, I decided that Faxon and a 15-inch handguard was exactly what I wanted. I decided to go with the M-Lock with this build. Overall, building an AR-15 was a frustrating but wonderful and great experience. I'd really like to thank the Iraq Veteran 8888 channel for all their tutorials and helpful videos. Anyway, thank you for watching. God bless America.